Hey YouTube. So today we have my bathroom sink is draining very slowly. There we go. So it starts adding more and more water. Yeah, so my sink has been draining very slowly, which you can see here. I tried plunging it, which did not help. I also tried they make these little hair snakes where you can kind of pull out hair that might be caught in there, but that did not work as well. So now I'm on to step 3, which if neither one of these solutions works, then the next thing you probably want to do is you want to go under the sink, which I just cleared out all the crap that was here, and you want to take apart your elbow underneath and take a look at that. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to loosen it up. We're going to take a look at that and see what it looks like. Okay, I took this out. Now all these, when you look under your sink, they're set up a little bit differently, but they're similar. They're all going to have, this is called a trap. The reason why you have the U underneath is so sewer gases, basically water stays in there, so sewer gases can't come back through the line. So when you take that off, there's definitely going to be water in there that you're going to have to dump out. Now, let's see if we could see in there. Hold on, I'm going to try and put on my light to see if there's any kind of hair sticking, any kind of clog that's slowing it down. And if you see that, you want to clean that out. Yeah, so basically you want to clean out that hair, which is probably causing your problem, and then put everything back together and try it out. All right, I got my pipe back on now. I just tightened everything up, and we're going to give it a try, and let's see how we do. Well, it looks like it's draining fine now, so I think my slow drain clog is no longer a problem. So those are basically the steps you need to go through. Basically you run through, you clear out your clog, and then you should be all set. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.